What's going on, everybody? Oh, my webcam not working. There we go. It was disconnected.
PR.
Good luck, everybody.
XPR's got 50 million traded, man. That one has some potential.
Which one?
EXPR.
Yeah, I have that one up. That's the one you traded earlier too, right?
I did trade that one earlier.
Wow, GME went all the way back up, huh?
Went up to 387.
Yeah, I see that. 385.
Drop. That's just crazy.
This is the craziest day ever, guys.
You see 500 today on GME? 500?
It could.
Guys, I think I might hit gold today.
You might. And the bell is off.
Hey guys, I hit gold. I'm well over.
You made it.
Well over gold. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen now.
Maybe she's dropping. Macy's is going up. GME dropped. GME just lost $40
I'm not
at the
even
open.
back in today, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, me either. I mean, I just.
That one's just not even.
My halt price didn't even update for that yet. That's weird.
For which one? GME?
Yeah.
Not loving Macy's here. What is AMC doing? She's dropping.
I'm just sitting there. Did 1.2 million volume and didn't look like it moved at all.
AMC.
Yeah.
A big drop on it, man.
Morning, Kim.
GME's under 300.
Macy's getting, I mean, not Macy's, but AMC's getting slammed.
So is EXPR.
Well, what's up with Macy's?
They added it to their Reddit list.
Oh.
Holy fuck balls. A little bit of profit taken here, maybe?
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. AMC giving it all back.
Freaking no fill on Macy's.
They didn't tell you?
It went right through them and didn't even tell me.
Oh my god.
Which one you, oh my god, and
Just watching AMC fall to the ground. Hold on.
You guys should have shorted at 25.
The spy's going right along with it.
This thing might be done.
Yep.
I don't know, man. On what?
Freaking charts are doing that thing again.
I am in this.
what, AMC?
Yeah. It didn't add. I'm not in huge just because this was a big drop.
What's your average?
1596.
The way you were talking, I thought you were gonna say like 18.
No, dude. I had the weirdest fill though I've ever seen in my life. It was starting to bounce, and I clicked buy, but it wasn't. It hadn't even created that wick, and I swear to God, I got filled lower than the price appeared to be on the candles.
Yeah, I'm telling you, there's something going on with the data flow lately.
Also, maybe the price was down there, and I
Yeah, cause Brian tried to take a trade break even the other day, and if you watch the trade, it fills him like 30 cents lower.
No, dude, I'm not kidding you. The price looked like it was bouncing above VWAP when I clicked buy, and I got filled under VWAP. And it didn't look like it was down there, so I think the candle did go down there, but it didn't show me it. So, I mean, I didn't even know where I was buying. That's fucking scary, man.
Yeah, I was in it. I just got out of it.
It's because there's so much
So
volume
that
being traded, I think. I was listening to, what's that Chinese chick's name?
literally says.
The one with the glasses.
Yeah, she was saying the same thing, that she noticed lagging on her dash platform because of all the volume. Man,
Yeah, Brian actually just asked if the charts were messed up.
oh, maybe.
I just tried to short UVXY, and it told me I couldn't, even though it says there's 9.5 million shares available.
It's like, dude, we're not letting people short anymore. Fidelity website experiencing issues according to TLRY.
Well, yeah, people, all the people losing so much money. It doesn't know how to margin call all these people all at once.
Oh man, I'm burping. Is the XPR halted?
Yeah, well, it was.
Oh, it is.
Bet Death and Beyond's gonna halt in a second.
Be careful.
Macy's is about to halt. Well, it's it's on its way.
I'm not, dude, I'm a little,
Scared.
I mean, even though I'm up so big, I'm a little concerned today.
Yeah, Bet Bath and Beyond is the halt.
Something is telling me to be careful right now, and it's not my normal protective mode.
It didn't. It dropped.
I'm not even looking at that one right now, dude.
Going too. We have shorts on that, but I don't know.
I'm trying Macy's.
Short.
Yeah. Where is this thing going?
I don't know. Did you short it?
I'm mad. I'm in very small, dude. I could take the loss right now and it won't hurt my day at all.
Oh, it's halting.
Is that the hole?
Nope. Played with it.
I should probably cut this. But
What's your average?
I'm not good. 20. I'm only in with 100 shares, but I'm kind of waiting for the sign. I'm a smacker. Oh, I just fucked up and covered it. Oh, shit.
Freaking no fill again, dude.
I took mine off there. I'm just happy to get out of that one. I smashed it at the top there. If it went back in to try to hold, I was just going to cut it. This is going to halt now.
Look at this thing, dude. I'm all out of it, dude, but I don't know. What is going on, dude? The whole market sounds like it's going crazy.
It is. My whole screen's lit up in orange and highlighted.
Yeah, everything's being a little irrational at the moment.
A little Is it being a little rational?
GME back to 330. Yeah, I think I'm done shorting for right now.
Dude, I ain't shorting shit.
I feel like I just got bailed out of that one. I'm gonna take my my horseshoe and walk away for a minute.
Down 500. That'll do it.
I don't know what to do. I'm like looking at everything like,
Well, it's like you can't buy it, but you don't want to short it. I feel like everyone's thinking the same thing, and that's why everything just keeps climbing.
Like a deer in headlights.
Basically.
I'm in EXPR.
long?
Yep, from the bottom.
That's good.
82's a good short right now.
You think so? Oh my god. I actually got some of this.
Man.
I'm out. Oh!
Look at your frickin' DDD.
Holy shit! I had a $200 something loss on this, and I am up so big right now, it's not even funny. Dude, this might be my biggest day ever today. I mean, if I get one more good trade. Oh, I'm shaking, dude. I gotta chill. Are we streaming? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I have this moment on tape forever.
Don't
I
time
have-
out.
I made some on that too.
Holy crap, dude.
I wasn't messing with that one again, even though it did look like a good short with the fake out breakout.
Okay.
Well, I never got out.
You can see my initial cover, my initial short, and then where I covered was supposed to be an ad, but I screwed up, and then I actually added. But so that's what's going on this trade because it looks confusing.
PR is gonna halt up.
Oh my god, dude, that was a huge drop. Oh my god.
Devin doesn't sound emotional at all.
No.
Oh no, I'm actually chilling out now. I'm not gonna trade for a second. I need to let those nerves calm. Oh my god, dude. I just went over the amount that I had the other day on GD.
Dude, there's a serious delay in DOS with their data feed.
I think it's the candles, actually. It's not really the level 2 or anything.
Dude, it failed me, and it didn't even show on level 1 the price until like a second later it showed it. But the candle triangle jumped up on my screen.
When I traded AMC, dude, I got filled below where the candle currently was for a long, and I was like,
That's spready.
wait, you know?
The SPY is also kind of dumping.
Yeah, it's down what? Almost 8.
Yeah, 2%.
Alright,
You got a small win on Siri.
that was such a big winner on freaking him just now.
Erie?
SIRI, Siri.
It's going back high a day.
To look at because what is cost doing?
Halted.
Actually, that's going up a lot, right? Yeah, that's 90%. I'm saying because I looked at it yesterday and it was low dollar.
Oh my god, all of my screens are lagging extremely.
I'm gonna take a little break. I gotta pee real fast, guys. So I'll be back.
A series about the halt.
Yeah, I got it up on the screen. Look at that shit.
And it's halted.
This stuff's crazy.
It's like, are all the brokers like broke right now? Like they're just buying and like people are hitting short and it's just buying or something? Like, what's happening? And on top of that, this is now 3 days in a row that DOS has had issues.
But dude, it's not just DOS. It's like everybody's having issues because I think there's just so much volume being traded right now. It's too much. What is this SK doing? I keep hearing that one a lot.
So you're telling me the transfer of money, the biggest transfer of money in the world, you're telling me that we don't have a system built for something where people can trade? Like, what? How is that even possible?
Oh my god, dude. SKT is insanity right now. I'm afraid to short that.
Like, I can't, it takes me 10 seconds to pull up a chart.
Yeah, because it gives you that big bar. Yeah, that's what I just got. I'm pulling up SKT.
I mean, that's huge, but oh my god, everything's halting. SRII? SIRI.
Siri. Yeah.
God, look at Sirius.
You look at EXPR, it's halted. I got it at the bottom. I got out at the halt, but
I don't even know what to trade, dude. I'm gonna be honest. I'm like at a total loss right now.
Yeah, like, what? Like, everything I pull up is just stupid looking.
I don't know what to do. I'm like literally kind of like a deer in the headlights right now.
I was literally about to hit I was trying to chase the bid down there. You saw me scrolling.
RTG, that's going. I just gotten a little bit.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at these charts, bro. How is everybody buying everything? M's just falling. I actually got a good fill on M on my freaking. That's crazy.
I'm in SKT.
Macy's taking a dump. I almost tried to scale out of that too. That would have been nice.
Everything's at the highs, dude.
Macy's isn't at the highs.
SPY's not at the highs.
I'm plenty happy with Macy's gave me, dude. After I didn't mean to lose that much money on it, but I did lose some money on that.
So how many shares did you take when you got short?
On the second, no, let me see.
I just wanted to prove you revenge traded it.
I did revenge trade it. I took that $400 short.
Yeah.
It was
I
2
know
and
no
2.
one else cares. I know no one else cares. I just have to announce GRTS is at 18.16.
Good for you.
I am $1.08 away from even.
6 years later.
And that's not including the massive amount of money you apparently made on the long side, right?
No, not even close. Not even close at all. I made a ton on the long side.
Out of SKT.
I think Siri's about to open up.
I actually have to watch this series here at this point.
Do you have to watch? Do you have to watch series seriously?
GRTS.
No, nobody caught that. Okay.
I got it, yes.
I was not watching.
Macy's, just $1.50 bounce.
Sorry, Lance is in long. Tried to sell, but he had it.
Sometimes you gotta.
Now I've got 4,000 shares.
Where's Pets going?
A series gonna halt again.
And my computer just shut down on me.
What?
It's trying to hint.
I said, my computer just shut down on me.
It said you're done for the day.
I wonder if I did. I'm kind of thinking it's just there's so much data going on right now. I think it's like too much. Shut up! I got somebody just messaging me about a giveaway.
Giving away free shares of
That was interesting. We got filled. The bid went down, but I think
what do
that's
we
the
watch?
data lag that we're talking about. That we were just talking about.
I'm watching EXPR.
Is it open again?
Oh, I didn't realize that.
It dropped.
I meant to go down to 5. 5 shares there. Whoops.
Commercial's about to start. Be patient. Alright. And I'm back open. Life is back on. That's a little nerve wracking now, man.
Ah.
I don't know what the Pets is moving apparently. Yeah. That's moving quite a bit.
I just don't know what to believe, and then the spread. Let's just get me out of this thing. I just don't get, like, especially everything moving like this against the SPY. It's just odd. Dude, look at the SPY.
Yes, what, about $8?
Yeah.
Holy fungus, man. Lumen's back up. This Pets has a huge spread. Lumen's back up over that pivot point yesterday. I don't even know. Yeah, I really don't know what to do.
Can't even get it to where I want it. That'd be very frustrating. We didn't get that fill.
The volume today is through the damn roof. And this buy is down. I mean, it's not like insanity, but you watching anything, Bash?
I'm in pets.
Yeah, that thing was so steady, man.
It wasn't at the top actually, but then it went against me. It wasn't the top when I got in.
Oh, you got in at the top.
Whoa.
Why couldn't Siri just fail there and go back fucking home?
Hey, watch your language, sir.
Oh,
Dude,
sorry.
bad, dude, I can't take that. Dude, that's going into like 40, 50 cents at times. Serious, just chilling up here.
Probably
Yeah,
should
it
have
couldn't
took
fail
a break
like Macy's
even.
for me. Go back home. It had to jump up and tap me out at break even on my leftovers.
Of course. This is on some sort of news. I didn't really hear what he said, but he said Terry's moving on that news. That's all I heard.
I took a loss on the XPR.
Well, I think losses are bound to happen in this market as well, man.
Well, basically, with my 2 trades, I'm break even on that EXPR though, so not terrible.
Yeah. No, I mean, dude, I ended up making money on.
Just gonna sit still now, apparently.
AMC's dropped in.
MC is? Dude, I don't even know if to trade, man. I'm literally
Just gonna take it
game,
out.
like,
Told myself if I saw 50, I was just gonna take it because it was a smaller loss and I just don't trust it.
you.
Should have missed our take profit there by what?
Volatility and breakthroughs, you got it.
Our average was, or what was our take profit at? 12, and it went to 22. So a little frustrating.
Couple stocks I can handle, but when everything's just flying up and down and all around, I'm just like,
City 5 minutes ago had a $32.8 million candle.
Yeah, I see that. Holy smokes.
AMC did?
Yeah.
Yes. It's got 390 million shares traded today.
And it's about to hold down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy.
GMC is the 17.
What is?
I'm sorry, not GMC, GRBS.
17 now?
17. If I would have added anything, I'd be green.
You just had a $30 candle. Actually, it's in half a minute.
No shorts on you, but that's going crazy if you want to risk your account shorting something.
I'm not playing this.
That's the whole purpose.
Dude, I'm so mad at Macy's. I'd have 2 winners on Macy's as well. I just didn't get filled. It blew through me twice.
So are you broke even on Siri between those 2 trades?
No, both of them are green.
Okay.
You'd have 2 winners on that thing?
Yes, sir.
I had 1 loss. Where was your first winner?
I think he just held longer than you.
I actually wasn't trying to sell it. I was trying to add to it. I wasn't trying to cover. I just accidentally hit the wrong button, and I was like, well, I'll take it.
Alright, so you see the very first red one, that's my short. And then I had the 2 covers at the bottom, and then the tap out for break even. And then the next set.
Oh, you can't post it.
You
can't post it because you never got in it.
Wait, what? I did post the chart.
I thought you said you didn't get in it.
In
That was
Siri?
Macy's.
Oh, no. I was talking about him.
Oh, Macy's, no, I never got in. It never filled me. When I hit the short button, it just, my X sat up there. and it blew through my order.
Actually, didn't have any problems on that one at all. In or out. The only weird one I had so far was that first trade of the day on AMC, which
AMWL is trying to halt. The fuck?
and I don't have shorts on that, and I think that's probably.
Halt, no shorts for us.
I think I'm good with it.
BLNK trying to move. That thing's at $60. Jeez. There's so many of these lately where they're down at $5, like not even 6 months ago.
Yeah, and now they're just up.
Yeah, they're just, yeah, and it's not like just like $10 up. It's like $50, $60. It's ridiculous.
What did I end up with on Macy's? Damn. Dude, I ended up, even with my big loss on it, over goal on one trade.
That means you went too big and you revenge traded the crap out of it.
Means I'm a big, so whatever.
Yeah, you say whatever this time until it ran right back up to the halt price the next time.
Now, there's no way I'm going below even 2
The-
times gold today. I mean, it would take a lot. I mean, when your padding's bigger, I think you don't have to be quite as cautious, but... Lumen. No volume on that one. I'm not trading this AMWL. What are you watching, Lance?
I don't know. I'm looking at a bunch of stuff. I don't have a lot of shorts, and the longs scare the hell out of me. I don't know.
Everything's a little,
Guess I want to see what AMC does on the halt.
What's that?
AMC's going to be
I
collecting.
gave you a 8 in a heart because you obeyed the rules.
I did what?
Because you didn't fight it.
What's the eggplant for? It did work. I was green on it.
Oh, well, let me take that eggplant off. I figured the cover was cover at break even.
I put it right below
For a small.
where it was. Yeah, it was actually an okay win. If there's one thing I've learned from Brian, it's that the heavier the size you get, the less you have to go below your average to make pretty decent money. Which is a scary thing in itself, but it is true. Yeah, I started that thing just a little early.
I don't know how you criticize my trade when you were in it.
Because I traded it the way I would normally trade it. You got out and then revenge traded it.
I got out and got back in because I saw it top. I mean, maybe it was because I wanted to make money on it, but I saw that.
You literally admitted to revenge trading it earlier.
Because I wanted it again, yeah. But I mean, dude, there's gonna be a short in that. I don't feel it was a bad trade. I'm not gonna admit to that. I'll talk to it. You can believe whatever you want.
I'm not saying it was a bad trade. I actually believe the backside one was a great trade.
Yeah.
I just wasn't touching it because as easy as that could have looked like the backside, right now people could make you want to think that's the backside and then rip it.
I don't even know what to do now, dude. Everything seems to kind of be chilling out a little bit.
I wanted
Just going to the moon.
I wanted to trade NOK there, but I didn't. I was hoping for a 550 test. Didn't quite get there.
What is going on the freaking lumen?
AMC's halted again.
Down?
Up.
God, dude, I don't even know what to say today. Like, I am so...
Oh, it's halted up but off the bottom.
Yes.
Yeah. I knew it was off the bottom because I just looked at it. That's why I said down again.
Ooh, good thing I got out of pets when I did.
Let's see.
Yeah. I tell you, I was just about to say on pets, it took a good 10 seconds for my daily chart to update to show the
Yeah,
history.
that's crazy.
I wish Lumen was more extended.
AMWL is about to open.
You in that?
No. Not yet, anyway. Watching CARV.
No, I'm shorts on that, I'm sure. I just gotta delete everything on this frickin'. Well, I've calmed down after that crazy trade, so now I can chill out and figure out what I'm gonna do.
See that spread there for a second? Holy smokes.
If Lumen could get, as Thomas would say, some Ricky Bobby action up to like, I don't know, 17, I would be willing to short that.
I don't think that's all real, though.
I'm in DDD.
Yeah, it had that one big volume candle and it is grinding its way up.
I would need to see something crazy pushing this thing higher. What do you
Like, look at the
DDDY?
spread.
No,
I mean, I think
DDD.
the spread's
Your
real,
stuff.
but
I'm not trading that thing, I hate it. That's one that I reject.
I can't tell. I'm pretty sure it's real. I don't. This is confusing to me.
Yeah, that ain't my trade right
We
there.
don't have shares.
I mean, I'm looking for longs too, but I'm just saying, no way, shape, or form is that my trade up here. Got nothing for me. I know I can't short it, but if it presented a good long, I'd be.
What the heck? Dude, I don't know what's going on with this stuff.
What do you mean?
I just got a good fill on CARV, but it, like, just, I don't know. The charts are just so laggy.
Man, you bottom took the shit out of that, huh?
I mean, I just put the order out where I thought it might get filled on the flush through 10, but I mean, like the flush through 10, I didn't even like see it happen. It just filled me, and then it happened.
That's what I had, dude.
That's what happened with Siri earlier.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, there's something weird going on, dude. For sure.
Well, that's why I literally started with a quarter size because I'm not.
'Cause you're a little worried.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm not like right now. The spread on this thing, it's like, is it real? Like I can't tell if it's real or not.
I'm out.
Dude, I'm like just kind of looking at charts like, yeah.
Jeez, Pets is still going.
TRSR, what the fuck is that?
It was a good
That's a
cut.
nice one on CARV.
Only if we would have just got our fill there.
Look at this thing. You probably have short comment. CRSR.
Oh. I'm not sure I like that daily. Looks like it wants to break out, and then if it breaks out of here, it could break out at the next breakout and then go all the way up to highs.
Right, I mean, this is the day it's gonna
Yeah.
do it if it's gonna.
Yeah, for real.
If it's gonna break out of this, today's the day. And I hope I get another trade. Kind of went into.
Dang, Siri got absolutely smashed.
I'm in Bed Bath and Beyond.
Dude, you just had to say that, huh, Tim? You just had to pull it up and say it.
Sorry.
That's a buck, dude, on leftovers. Ah, I hate you, Steve.
Looking at that BBBY chart, I can't trade charts that look that hideous. Something in my brain just said, nope. Lumen would have been a hell of a short.
I'm out.
Yeah, Lumen just didn't Ricky Bobby it for us.
When I was looking for a man. That's what I was Would do.
I'm sitting here wondering why my stomach's growling. I didn't eat breakfast.
I didn't need it, man. I've been so focused on the freaking market. I think I had one really good trade after the bell, but I mean, overall, like, I thought I would have been super busy, and I'm just kind of like, I like movement, man, but this was a little much for this guy.
What's up, Mr. Clevin? Yeah, Interactive Brokers is who I'm using. They have shorts on pretty much everything.
Dude, we ain't had a day like that in a long time where shit was just chaotic.
Yeah, dude, I think it was, I mean, I was a little overwhelmed by it, to be honest. You know, we've had a few stocks go chaotic, but it hasn't been like everything was going mad crazy. Alright.
Really not in the mood to mess with SSR, but let's see.
GRTS. He's in the money.
Almost.
You're not there? What is your average? It's 1760s.
1708. 1708.
Uh,
So
I don't
close.
know where, dude.
50 cents.
I'm literally. It looks like M is just done. Whatever that did, it looks like it's over.
yes.
What is Costin doing? Let's just try to like freaking balance life here. Cost did nothing. FOSL, is that doing something
SOSL.
that's up. That stuff's huge. Early up, follows up. I mean, look at CAR. I mean, Vesh, you want a short, and there's CAR.
It's moving slow though. Art.
But it's up $3.
Yes.
It's not all about how much it's up, Devin.
You know, I'm doing that volume. I'm not. I was even talking to myself today after a trade in AMC saying, that's my type of trade. Don't screw around. Something else started moving, but it was all slow, and I was like tempted, and I'm like, oh, I need that volume, and I'm not trading anything without it.
Dude, I don't like how these charts are moving today.
The actual physical chart.
Yeah, the lag.
Yeah, I have trouble figuring out which ones are lagging.
It was literally the 2-minute candle, because I trade on a 2-minute. When it hit 2-minute, it was 3 to 4 seconds later before it actually showed on my screen.
Delayed how much?
It was like 4 seconds.
Now you're talking about the candles, right?
I'm not playing
Yeah.
this.
Like the 2-minute hit, so the next candle should have opened, and it should have showed the opening, and it was 4 seconds later. It showed the opening, and then it showed it jumped up freaking 90 cents on CAR.
Yeah, the spreads too, I think aren't always real. Like I think the prints are coming in like different timing and I don't know. And I think it's throwing a lot of people off too. I think that's why we're getting these like weird moves. Like look at CAR there. That's crazy.
Too much volume going through the market right now. I mean, I know that. Look at Fossil. That's not fast.
What the? What did Pets do? Holy smokes. How did I not see that the second time?
That didn't even pop up on the scanner, dude. That should have been on the scanner all day. That's gotta be fake. Something.
Yeah, because that's crazy right there.
All of my charts show it did it.
Yeah.
I'm not saying fake. I'm just saying that the delayed, whatever, with the data feed, something's not right.
You know, on my monitor on pets at 10:12, it spiked to 44.1 on the positive I3. But I didn't even see it. It must have popped and dropped right off of it.
Oh, Michael. GME is on the way down. Said halted down. Yeah.
Yeah, 249.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's almost in buy territory. Another $100.
Oh,
Hey,
you get so much money in this market right now. It's insanity.
so that's down to
Obviously-
140
Okay, stop.
bucks
Watching.
from the high.
Watch the thing that's moving. CRSR, look at that thing dropping. That was the one that Vesh said it's not all about the move. Down $1.50 so far.
Why didn't you trade it, Mister? I'm up 5 million goal.
I really don't.
Gold. I wish. This is a GME guy, or GME. I didn't trade it because it's not moving fast.
Exactly.
I decided anything not moving fast I'm not touching today, so I'm just literally watching AMC. It's moving fast. They've literally taken. Is Lumen moving fast or no? No. AMC's now watch. Alright, let's see what this can do. Man, today is crazy. But only you can dance for me, so put your hands on my body. Man, I'm on the inside, so strip that down for me. TD Ameritrade said unprecedented volume today is causing limited access to the mobile app.
That's crazy.
Literally, there's so much volume today that all of the brokers are having issues.
How the hell could that even be?
I really wish that we weren't having issues because I'd be killing it today. Like I'm hitting these plays, I'm hitting these trades like perfectly, but I'm not using size because of what's going on.
What are you trading?
I traded SOS there.
Call them out. You don't have shorts on that one, but
You said I'm pretty sure you said you didn't have shorts on it earlier.
I didn't say anything about that one. First time I looked at it.
Somebody must have. I thought somebody did.
Yeah, I said there was no short. I far from close.
That might have been when I was my computer was down. Trouble figuring out what to trade.
So Charlie said that pretty much all are having data flow issues.
He didn't say all, but he said that TD Ameritrade
Here we go.
are earlier. He said, who's the other big one?
Schwab or something.
No, the one with an E, I think.
Here's my favorite candy, and I needed some sugar this morning.
I don't know. Earlier he said another one was, so I guess multiple brokers are having some issues.
GME halted down at 250.
Yeah. It's only down $140 from the high of the day.
Yeah, but it's only up $200 from the other day.
AMC is doing that funky wiki stuff again like we were having the other day. Where we're getting this crazy wicks everywhere.
Oh, AMC, yep. Yeah, I just pulled it up to see that, yeah.
It's getting those crazy wicks. I mean, those first two are real, because they're on both my charts, but that last one wasn't real.
Are you sure they're real?
I don't know. I mean, I don't.
I'm just saying because they're on both charts doesn't necessarily mean they're real.
Well, I'm seeing them. Oh no, they're forming on all my charts now. They're on Thinkorswim one too. They're
That's what
everywhere.
that's what I'm saying. I think it's an exchange issue. It's not like the software's issue.
Crazy. Yeah, it
So
really
they
seems
probably all
like
get their data from like the same feed.
Isn't it crazy? It can't handle this much volume.
That's what I'm
I was
saying.
just in- I was
Go ahead,
just
Lance.
in CARV, and CARV is. I mean, there's not a lot of volume, but none of the numbers are the same.
GME trying to go back up and halt to the upside.
only went up $25 so far.
I'm watching SRNE for anyone that's wants to know, but I would love to see this get some speed.
I don't
And we don't
know.
have a short side. Due to volatility, GME, the maintenance requirement will be raised to 50% for long positions, 60% for short positions.
Definitely not trading that.
Wait, like they're literally cutting your like buying power in half?
Yeah.
Yep.
Like your cash buying power or margin?
No margin.
Oh, okay. So it's 3-1 instead of 6-1.
Well, I mean,
Yeah,
it
they're
makes
saying,
sense.
this thing is out of control. We gotta stop.
I'm really surprised they didn't make all of those 1-1, let alone like just cash.
Dude, they never even do that. That's the first time I've seen them do that.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. That's what I'm saying. It's great. Well,
When it counts.
they did it with something else where they made something 1-1. I don't remember what it was. It was one of the ones that was going stupid.
They're like,
You remember
"Oh,
Sure
Lord."
Trader though?
Yeah.
They did that just randomly every day on like random stocks. Yeah, they would.
Anything to move.
Yeah, they would just be like, 1-1.
I used to hate that because all of a sudden now I'm like, oh, now I'm wanting to take like 200 tariffs.
Well, right, yeah, because then it starts to affect your buying power. Because that was the back when I was using bigger size, and it's like, well, I can't afford more than this amount of shares now.
Yeah. Just screwed me. I don't even know what to trade right now, guys. I'm like literally at a loss.
And I'm scared right now.
Like all three of my money cards is a lock. I'm not even interested. I'm here to listen.
My last trade on CARV,
MDI,
the
money
candle
game.
said one thing, my level 2 said another, and then my time and sale had the numbers were different than all those.
It's taking a long time to load up my MDI card that I just tried to load.
So, I don't know. It's scaring me.
Yeah, dude, the whole market's a little scary right now. I mean, MDI looks like it's barely moving to me. But maybe it is. I don't know. It's huge volume. Holy Moses, guys. Oof. What a day, dude. Most other people don't give a damn.
I'll be right back. Bathroom break.
So you're not trading, Thomas?
Nah, I'm gonna be grateful with the 2 wins that I have. That was a little nerve wracking, and not getting filled. Those two, no. You know, it's something to lose when it's out of your control. Not out of your control. Just
I get it, man. I get it. What is really moving right now, though? Like, I'm just even having trouble figuring that out. You got something lighting up that?
Again, watching SRNE through 12 here. See what it does.
It's the only thing you guys on.
RIG as well.
Rig.
Yep. just 3 days ago, you would have been all over this.
Yeah, he done crossed that $60 threshold. He covered back.
He's like, well, look at the money I can make shorting these things or playing these things. Like, why am I messing with these things down here? Yeah, SRNE, that was not really the pop I was looking for. It was a little grindy feeling.
The rig is a little bit too.
Yeah, it's definitely a little grindy feeling with rig. I was looking, see what it does through 350.
I want to see it fly at 4 or something.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Yeah.
Just, there's nothing else to have up, so I'm just looking for potential flyers.
TKMG's popping. No one actually moving, but you know that's always a scary one to short. I'm not falling. This shit. Holy cow, man! I've had a great day, dude.
Is it your best day ever yet?
No, not yet. That was back in my penny stock days.
Well, what was the number? I'm curious. I don't think you've ever told me.
My best day ever was over. I don't think it was like 25 almost.
Nice. What happened with that? Like, what was the trade?
I think we were trading together. It was.
Oh, I feel like I remember that day, but it.
It was some freaking low floater, and we were waiting for it to break a level. When it broke, I got in, and you went to take care of a kid or something, and I'm going back. And the thing just flew like $2.
Oh, yeah, that sounds about right.
And you were like out doing something. We were both sitting there staring at it, and then you went to do something with the kid right when it broke.
Of course.
I remember sitting there going, back.
Come back! Space is going.
Like 24K? 24,000?
No, 2,400.
Holy shit, it's about to
Oh, it's still awesome. I'm just saying.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, I was like, holy.
No, not 24,000. I have never been.
What is this thing doing? Holy smokes. Gonna double top halt? SPCE space.
Yeah, dude, that's nuts. I don't shorts on that, thank God. Holy shit, so what? Is it over 48? I don't want to short it. No, because it's probably wanting to go to 50, dude. At that level, why won't it go to 50? I wouldn't get in here.
I'm not getting in. I'm watching. Oh, it can't go any higher. It's halting.
If it hits 50, I'd be watching if you got short stash.
Well, I do. I was seeing it's halting, though. There ain't nothing we can do about it now.
Nah. But what's ANC doing?
Oh, they're trying to fight it. No, it's gonna halt.
I'm gonna pee, dude, before I take a trade right now.
Oh, they rode the halt. They're riding it. Oh.
There it goes.
Ooh, that would have been nice. I don't know. I don't like messing when they're riding halts like that.
See, I understood it wrong. I thought you were that one that did like to get in.
No, well, I like when it's like right to it. This is like grinding up to, like it's going up to it and it's just kind of sitting there. It's a little different. Yeah, if it like shoots right into it, then I'm like, all right, let's give it a shot because the odds are no one's sold yet. But if it just kind of grinds into it, then most likely a lot of the people that would sell when it actually gets there are already gone.
What the fudge?
But it looks like it would have worked.
My actual screen just did something weird.
I don't know. I'm just very hesitant right now.
Give that whole
Whatever, it can do it without me. I also didn't like the chart that much either. How it came off the bottom like that and ran into the double top.
yeah. Yeah.
That's definitely not what I like trading.
What are we talking about, the space still?
Yeah.
48.50.
Did I miss anything?
Nothing you can trade.
The
Well, I
AMC would
say
be good.
that, but
Well, I mean, I suppose face off the bottom. I mean, I don't know if you'd like that. Not the bottom, but off the dip.
Tesla going back to highs. The SPY's moving back up. Now everything will have a reason to keep going.
Dude, I keep tripping out because I swear my computer, my DOS screen kind of glitches a little bit, and I keep thinking like it's putting me in a trade.
What
like,
are,
should I see
what
something
are
light
these
up?
moves? Everything is being irrational today, like big time.
I'm gonna watch my montage actually until.
Can you see my chat, or have I been shadow banned? I can see you. What's up? Is CMake working for you guys? Yeah, there's guys in Discord. It's working. That's all. I'm pretty sure Devin,
got
Jag, and
10
Thomas,
minutes
they're all
before I have
using
to go
CMake.
and plow my daughter out of her house.
Wait, you're gonna plow what?
She,
We can't go with that one, man. That's too far.
I was legit. He like cut out. I couldn't hear what he said. I mean, I could. I guess I could put two and two together. I mean, you only used the word plow for two different things.
I have to go put the driveway in snow.
Oh, the driveway. Okay. Thank you for keeping it PG. I appreciate you.
No problem.
Especially with Kim in here. That would be very rude of us.
oh shit, Kim's back hanging with us. All right, gonna watch it.
EXPR running up.
Kim will tell you to not watch it. She likes it. She likes it when you plow your driveway.
Who doesn't like this game?
One long AMC. Oh my god, AMC, come on, baby.
Yeah, no problem,
let's
dope.
go. Nope.
I don't like it.
Starting not to like it.
It might go right there. Are you in it?
Yeah, man.
Can you see the last montage to see what was going on?
I'm gonna add until I find something I like, and then I saw this thing picking up speed. Dude, the amount of volume going through this right now is bananas.
It is.
About to YOLO my one share.
On AMC.
Yeah. Get a little 2.5 to 1 risk reward ratio here. Looking for high of day. Plus, I could say I traded AMC.
I'm afraid.
508 million shares. That's nuts, and it's not even 11 o'clock.
Yo. Breakthrough 17.
FOSL just ripped through high day if you're interested.
Yep.
I have that one up earlier. Yeah. Oh man, Pets took a dive, huh?
Alright, I'm out, dude. I made like $12 off that trade. I'm done. That's too crazy. FOSL.
Yep.
What is it? Strange enough, not short bias that one. Short bias
Yeah.
that one. Hmm?
I'm too nervous to trade, dude.
The spreads, I don't get it. It's
It's
just so
crazy
weird.
on that.
FOSL's got some huge spread going too, like 20 cents, 25 cents, 22 cents. I can't take that, dude. Did AMC break out and it's gonna make him sad?
Yeah.
Not really, yes. Freaking took $10 on it or something. That thing's struggling, dude, to get up there, bro. I don't know what's going on with that. That was too much. Like, all that volume and it wasn't really moving. That just tripped me out, man. I'm not gonna lie. CD says 5 out of a million people have a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine.
That's good.
That isn't too bad.
Yeah, that's actually really good.
Those are fairly decent odds. Bad, that's what my mom got yesterday.
You got the first dose?
With the first dose of the plasma. Ah, there she goes. I don't know, man. This AMC is tripping me out, bro. I'm a little nervous on her. It's almost like too much volume for me, which isn't a common thing for me to say. And the spread over here on Fossil is just like a no-no. I'm not gonna play it.
EXPR trying to go back to highs.
Yeah.
Well, it's technically at highs, but not pre-market highs. Or, oh yeah, the highs are 793.
AMC would have worked too, man. My average was like 1660 something. It's just struggling so bad.
I just don't know what to do with this, especially with the spread. I mean, it's horrible. I mean, it's starting to grind at this point. Just
Jeez,
gonna
look at the
leave it
volume
alone
pouring
unless it
into this thing.
goes flies through
518
1750.
trades, bro.
AMC.
It's a spy got in it today.
Ah, should have been in AMC. My YOLO
25
long.
million.
25
YOLO.
million, 519 million on AMC.
I see 525. It's a it's only 500 mil more.
On AMC.
Yo, people really want to go to the movies, man. Okay, relax.
Company that's basically broke right now.
Not anymore.
I think I gotta say thank you to AMC for making me money earlier and have a good day to her today because I don't like the way she's moving. And I don't like the way my chart looks with these frickin' wicks everywhere. That all makes me nervous.
GME looks like it wants to break out.
See what?
Looks like it wants to break out, GME.
No, that's bad. Hey, no way I'm touching it today.
One share, bro.
No shit, bro. You wouldn't share it.
Tom. Speak for yourself, Tom. Speak for yourself, Tom. Speak for yourself. One share is 98% for me.
EXPR halted up.
If I got in one share and it went to $1 instantly, I would be broke. Just kidding. No, in GME. Ooh, Fossil's trying. God, the spread. What the heck?
So bad on Fossil, dude. Can't touch that. I can't touch that.
Yeah, I'm officially just gonna stop looking at it.
Yeah, that's. I mean, talk about a spread, dude. You know,
EXPR halted up.
EXPR, yeah.
GME, man, if it gets up to, what is this candle? 297. 297, GME's gone.
EMC came back down. So, oh,
No.
Alright, I pulled Fossil back up.
It's crazy that this is what I was able to do on this in pre-market. That's kind of interesting. I will show that. This is what I did with this in pre-market. This is what I did with this during the day. The trades on it during the day have not been quite as impressive. Look at this crap. This is awful. Haven't been able to do anything with this during the day. Drop now, that might be something for me.
On what? AMC?
Sorry, Justin. I'm such a dick. But that's why you love me.
I don't like it, man. That didn't give me enough of a drop. I would have got the bottom, but I wasn't really paying attention to it. Might give you 50 cents right here.
Look at the volume.
On AMC.
Yeah. 1.5
Yeah,
million.
you can't even read, like, even the level 2, which is...
Yeah.
There it is, man. Would have been a good trade, but...
Yeah, I tried to get in at 1609. It didn't take me, and then I wasn't chasing it, so.
Oof, would have been a good trade. Oh, would have been such a good trade. Oops. Called that one and didn't get it. That's awesome. Whatever, I'm cool with that, honestly.
Fossil spread is only 3 cents now.
KOSS, Charlie's talking about? Fossil dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot.
I'm glad I got in.
Huh?
I'm glad I got in.
I'm not short?
Oh, yeah. I was in for a little while.
Tell us!
You guys were bad-mouthing it, so I didn't want to say it.
I actually pulled it back up, but I was wanting it to go through 18.
You did bad mouthing the spread on it. It was super spready. Boss just said, see you later, haters. KOSS.
I'm out of it.
You weren't bad mouthing the short.
You bad-mouthing me.
Spread.
Make me feel bad about myself.
And I'll do that regardless of you in a trade or not.
Best bad mouth half of my trades.
I badmouth your stuff, Devin, because you contradict yourself. So I'm just being your other half in the moment.
Being my other half. You're my
Well, yeah, you literally argue with yourself sometimes and you don't even realize it. So I just pick up one of the roles and continue the argument.
I gotcha.
It's actually kind of fun, not gonna lie.
It's actually kind of fun. I don't even know what to look at, dude. I'm like,
GME just went up $20.
I'm not looking at that.
You should have bought your one shared too.
That is definitely.
Yeah.
This is just gonna be a stupid day, man. I think it's halting. Alright, who thinks we see AMC back to 20 today? Let's take our
I
bets.
think it'll get there. It may get to 30. I mean, it could be over that, but it'll definitely get over 20 at some point.
So you think we'll see the highs of pre-market again?
I think so.
I do too, but it needs to start doing something more than what it is for me to like play it again. Like I thought that was going to be the breakout because it got over these previous, the VWAP, it was holding. I thought that was going to be the blast off period, but
I think what'll happen is as the rest of the market slows later, as the day goes on, I think it'll pick up as far as movement. I mean, I don't know how it can pick up volume per candle, but
I don't think we can get much more volume than what we've already had. But
no. EXPR just dropped and is going to halt down.
okay, I I would just like to point out this: we are basically an hour into the trading day, and we are at almost 500 million shares traded.
AMC.
I mean, I would imagine this will have 1 billion shares traded in it by the end of the day. 1 billion. I don't think I've ever seen a stock trade 1 billion shares in my life.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Express opened and halted again?
Yep, halted down. It just dropped basically 90 cents in less than a minute.
Dude, I don't know, man. This is a pretty damn big day. If I can get one more amazing trade.
It opened for 19 seconds and halted down.
Stupid big day, dude. Oh, time for me. I would like to say my stupid big days don't compare to Ross's.
No.
Compare to Ross.
I'm just gonna do a Devin and say I would still be holding leftovers in Macy's and right about $5.
Macy's is still going down? Yep.
Oh, shoot, man. Honestly, dude, I don't feel bad about taking that one when I did, though, because, I mean, dude, that was when the market was being so wacky. I saw that big drop, and I was like, I'm out, bro. The market was being crazy, the charts were being nuts. I was just like, taking the money.
Don't you mess with Elon satellites. Elon get mad. Elon smash. Elon tweets.
It said something about Sirius XM satellite that got damaged, and Maxar is helping them fix it. I guess that's why SIXI moved it. I don't know why that moved. Or, what is that?
SIRI. Sirius.
Sirius. It's all the way down.
The workhorse is dropping. Mine either.
Beer? Is that VIR again? Yep. VIR is over $100. This was down at 45 2 days ago.
Yeah, I traded it yesterday.
I know. Now it's over $100.
KOSS is running.
You doing shorts on that, eh?
No. It's going to halt up again.
I don't even know what to do, man. Like, I'm just kind of watching stuff right now. Honestly, the slowdown for today will be like the good volume that I like. I feel like when this slows down, I'll be able to trade it.
I feel like there's no like random volume right now though. That's the problem. It's like it's not like really fast pops. It's all like just moving higher. Like literally everything I did trade today was because it was moving like there was that quick little like FOMO pop. However, pets did not do that, and that happened to be my one loser today. Go figure. Macy's actually almost bit me pretty good, but then it did get that FOMO pop, which was nice. And thankfully, it didn't go back up to the halt because I would have been oh, it wouldn't have been a huge loss, but would have been a loss.
All of this volume due to GME and Wall Street bets?
100%.
Like all of this volume.
All the people, yeah, but think of how many new traders are popping in because they saw what GME was doing.
Yeah,
They're like,
I'm
right.
3,000 at it.
Right, exactly.
I'm 3,000 at the market. Oh, look at the JMC. They're saying that's going to go up.
Yep. I mean, that's literally what's that. Like, do you really think AMC would have any kind of day like this without something like that? Not a chance.
But the whole market is kind of just being crazy, dude. Like, it's not just this chart.
The XPR just opened.
Again?
Yep.
Oh, damn.
Staples, that's why.
Yep. Totally tweeting. Let's see if that gets some attention.
Did he just leave it at that? TLRY tweeting now.
No, he's coming to me. CEO said something and I didn't hear because you were talking.
Probably didn't matter anyway.
Yeah,
He's got a little bit of a pop on the XPR.
Hooray. I'm definitely not buying highs today. Sometimes I buy breakouts. Today I'm not able to do that. I'm waiting for drops. KOSS halted again?
I think so.
Did that open?
Yeah, it opened and halted. It hasn't
Fossil.
opened yet.
Fossil's going back up too.
I should have kept the XPR. Oh well.
Where's the halt size? 882.
Watching SOS again, see if it blows through $3 here.
Oh my god. KOSS. I'm so lost. The XPR's on the hub. Did you get in down there towards 7? Lance?
What was that?
Did you get in there towards 7?
I got in at 756, and then I got out at 783 because it started going back down, and so I missed out on the whole move. It would have been a good move, but no.
Oh.
That's also because I got to get ready to leave. But
SOS did
I would have made the wait.
knock it up to 3 first.
That spread on Fossil, dude. That's like untradeable for me. What a day, dude. I'm like shell shocked.
All right, I'll be back in, I don't know, maybe an hour or so.
Alright, man.
Plow it, baby.
Before he left, he accidentally bought into GME.
There's KOSS open.
He's gonna come back. It'll be at $582. KOSS, dude. What do you do with that? It's just
Just watch it.
yeah, it's just going from hope to hope. I mean, nothing for me there. Not drop.
What was TLRY's news?
I don't know. Fucking- oh, it apparently worked. CEO tweeted something. TLRY just crossed over some line I had at some point. I think TLRY would have been a good buy. Oh, costs. day ever today, unless
All right, coming to you, B.
you think it's still coming. I don't know, man. I've been kind of shell shocked a little bit today. Difficult to take trades.
Yeah, I took super small size on this. Oh, there's. I'm trying to hold on to the rest here, so we'll see.
What are you in?
It's alright. It would have filled me there too.
It sure would have.
I mean, it wouldn't have been that much more. I mean, it didn't want to break 50, so
I'm
gonna be mad.
Because I hate the way that's moving. I would need a nice run, man. That would be more of a pullback on that TLRY.
Yeah, I missed my ad. I was looking for it to just pop through 2150, but didn't quite get it.
LGFA. Fossil new highs. Cost open, trying to halt again. I can't trade costs, dude. It just opens and halts.
Keeps trying to get there. Keeps getting bought up.
FOSL is not as extended as I would like it to look.
Yeah, it looks very grindy.
Yeah.
Costs halted up again.
TIRX open and halted in 1 minute.
Somebody's soaking here at 2030.
TLRY.
Yeah.
Kind of where I'd like to see it bounce. Let's see.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
I just got out the rest there.
You gotta Thomas that shite. Give your leftovers. You were in small though, huh?
Yeah, I was in really small.
Hard to leave leftovers when you're.
Yeah.
Not to say the dip by like either, yeah. It's a bit pretty damn hard.
Nice, sir. 5 for 5, 110. Attaboy. You're short GME? Oh, you're telling me to short GME. Get out of here. Well, you don't want to hear the guy in the background anyway. I turned him. I had him up a little louder, but I didn't mean to have them up that loud. There goes Fossil again. For a short?
Yeah.
I didn't remember if that was one of the ones you had shorts on or not.
There she goes.
There's a couple of algos playing that thing. That's probably why the price is all jumpy. No, not necessarily pushing it up, just you can see it on the map. You can see the orders moving up and down with it.
The XPR's up higher?
Yep, high day.
Halted?
No. It's gonna try here if it breaks 950.
What that one, dude?
VIR is halted at 125.
Logic.
Wait, nah. Is GME really 380? Oh my, GME made it to 380 again?
GME did?
Yeah, I thought Tom was just trolling, but I pulled the chart up. Yeah, it went right up to 380. It got rejected pretty hard, though, at least for now. Nice, Jason. Thing is crazy.
I'd say you definitely can't play the front ends. I guess I should specify I can't play the front ends of these moves.
It's difficult. I did it on Macy's and I regretted it pretty quickly.
Yeah, the front ends are hard, man. I'm just watching Fossil and it's just like, okay.
Even on the last trade on TLRY, I still was hesitant to play the front side, but that's why I just started way small size. I'm a little annoyed I didn't get my ad on that one, actually. GME right back up. This thing is nuts. That $1,000 doesn't seem too crazy at the moment, does it?
Is that what they're calling for?
Well, that's what they've always been calling for.
Really?
Yeah, I said that back when it was at 60. That's it.
1K.
Yep. Well, the whole point was back when they were buying the $60 calls, that was as high as they went. So when they got over that, they didn't have anything else. And that's what creates this, what they're calling the infinite gamma squeeze. Because there's no more call options that high, so it basically just squeezes them higher and higher. I was looking into it. It's complex. That's why I don't trade them. And they're just obviously super volatile. Yeah.
XPR didn't halt again.
Did you see VIR? That thing's stupid. The daily on that one's just like,
It's a pretty good lesson, man. I don't know why I'm a little sleepy right now. Busy morning. There goes to
Hey, Jason.
fossil, man.
You want some? Give you some temptation. There went fossil.
Yeah, I thought you were in.
Me? I can't believe it's running into these.
Yeah.
VIR opened, going right to the halt price.
Needed to break below the 9. It needs to set up.
Wow, this thing is nuts, man. VIR's trying to catch up to GME apparently.
What is?
VIR. It just keeps. It just opened. Yeah, it just opened and halted again. You tell me. GME's about to break it. Going to 400. Yeah, Jason, I can give you like 30 seconds of my time. Oh, dude, it's actually 11 over after 11 already. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Fossil?
No, GME.
No, I'm not watching that one. I'm watching fossils.
You should watch it, man. History is about to be made.
Come on, fossil. Break below that 9. You can't even get down to the 9. Where's Jimmy at? I'll pull it up.
It's
Oh
about to
my
go to
God,
the
look at
highs. There it goes. There it goes. All it has to do is break 380 and this thing is gone.
Guess who's
Gone.
not yet?
Right to 400.
This guy.
I bet you Madaz was in on that 340 flush. 100%. That's exactly what he's been trading. Basically like Lance is trading. It's kind of the same. They trade the same almost. Ooh, big drop.
You know he trades like him.
Yeah, these drops right here are what they look for.
What, Jamie?
Yeah,
That drop
those
right there.
big flushes, yeah.
Look at it express.
What the hell? GME back to highs?
Yeah, dude, it's nuts.
I mean, Crowley, I can't believe GRPS moved $2 on me. Oh, I'm still pissed. I was
Huh?
20 cents. I was 30 cents away. It's almost up to $20 now.
EXPR is moving too.
Oh.
Dude, I can't. I don't know. Feel like a newbie today. Like, is Fossil just gonna break through and keep going right here? Probably. But I'm not gonna be in it because I can't take that trade.
I wonder if it's somebody huge trying to hold GME under 380 here because they know if it breaks it, they're screwed. Like, this is our last attempt.
Watch this Fossil right here. Probably $23.
EXPR is halted up.
Jeez, man, I can't. I'm like literally crippled today.
For trading, I'd say for trading half size all day myself, still had like a decent day in comparison. Like with the charts doing what they were doing, everything kind of lagging with the What was the other problem that we had?
That was mainly it.
Oh, no, the charts. There was one other problem. It's like escaping me. Oh, it wasn't really a problem, but it was just how everything was going at the same time. And it wasn't like fast. It was just like, okay, we're just gonna go higher.
This is going up. This is
Bye
going
bye.
up. This is going up.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Gonna make everything go up today.
Dude, GME just is riding that 9.
Like, you can't short Fossil, Thomas, can you?
Would you want to?
No.
That thing is grinding.
Eventually.
Oh yeah, when it finally like pops. Like to me, this is just grinding. It's crazy.
It is.
That's what I'm saying. A lot of the moves today all look like this. Ooh, VIR got smashed out of the halt.
The XPR still halted. I feel like the shorts today just said, dude, we're gonna take a vacation.
I mean, when everything is going up like that, it's like, what do you do?
Alright, guys, give today to the Bulls.
Yeah, we'll just let them have fun. We'll get them tomorrow. It's just one day. Let them have it. Oh, and it makes you wonder how many people that are usually short biased decided to flip the last couple of days.
Yeah, some shorts probably went. I mean, what has B been doing?
Shorting.
Has he?
Mm-hmm.
We gotta be getting hurt.
Mm-mm.
You're telling me B just luckily has picked all the ones that fall?
It's just how he plays them.
You haven't gotten in any of these that are just infinitely squeezing?
Hold on.
Like, he's not in Fossil right now? Like, that totally looks as MB would have been in, like, down here, 18 bucks.
That was his thing from earlier. I just posted it.
Oh, did you? I didn't see it.
I just posted it.
Oh. What is this? He's red on these names and green on this one?
No, he's green on all of them except for DDD.
Oh, DDDs are... Really?
Nah, it's just fake.
Green
I
on
photoshopped it.
Did you?
No. I don't have the time to do that.
I know you guys believe in B wholeheartedly. I'm not sure if I do. Because this is a day that shorts are gonna get burned, and how is he the one that doesn't?
Even if you're trading on paper, like it's still there. Like it's like there. I know he's not photoshopping. If that's what you're asking.
I don't know the guy.
Plus, he doesn't even have time to do that.
I'm just saying, I don't know how it's that green all across the board.
It's because it's what he does. That's why it's so frustrating that like someone like myself watches him do it every day, and it's like, yeah. I mean, and that's like he just started posting his trades on that YouTube channel that he made, and it's like you can see how he does it, and it's honestly the reason he can be green on all of those is because he's just not afraid to be underwater for a little bit, and he's not afraid to add size when he has to.
Yeah.
Like, look at my Macy's trade.
Post a link.
Is there an infinite account?
I mean, essentially.
I mean, I could probably be green if I infinitely traded these things, but I'd have to pay for trade, which makes me wonder. Just because I'm like, that's got to be a lot of money.
Well, no. I mean,
I don't
well,
know.
to trade a bigger account, obviously you would have to have that money. But if you're trading even just a smaller account to make, $100 to $300 a day, like you don't really need that much.
Yeah. DXPR, dude, I don't know.
Yeah, because I forgot all about that from Friday night's stream. I meant to go check it, but I forgot about it.
Yeah, you're gonna wanna go watch those. They're amazing. But like going back to my Macy's trade, the old me would have
They're
just.
amazing, but there's something that you couldn't do.
I can't wait to cut you off the next time you're trying to say something.
Oh, go. I'm sorry.
I was literally being funny.
No, no.
Anyways, on my Macy's trade, the old me would have probably at the top there just hit it for another one. So it would have been 1 1 1 1. But that time, I was basically just waiting till I really felt like it was the top, and the halt also obviously helped. So when the time came to actually smash to get your average up, you kind of have to in scenarios like that. I mean, granted, that would have worked out even if I didn't, because it would have eventually fell, but I would have had to hold through some pain. But because I did do it, I didn't have to hold through any pain because I smashed it down. That's essentially what he does. Like, he's not afraid to go like 1 1 2 4 4 8, whatever he has to keep his average up. It's the thing is he's going to build size, but his average is up, and the more shares you have because of that, the less you have to go below your average to make decent money. And really, until I saw him do it, like in the trades that he posted, it never really clicked for me. And then finally, like, I don't know, just I've always been a visual learner, and it just really helps to see it. And I've been telling him that for over a year now, and he finally
Oh, you've been asking
decided to
me
do
for that,
it. Yeah.
Yeah, because it is different when you see it being done live as opposed to just
Hearing it.
or-
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
It's like you can tell me how you do it over and over again, and it's like I visually understand it in my head, but until I like actually see it, it just doesn't click.
The XPR is about to hold down.
Yeah, I see that.
It's the type of dip I would kind of be interested in.
We're talking about Brian, the owner and beloved of ISW.
What was I gonna say? Oh, but like, I get what he's doing, but I'm saying like with your
I just posted his
with
YouTube
account
channel.
that isn't
If you want to go check it out, he's been
I mean,
posting
is it
his
really
trades on the
possible
challenge
to
account.
imitate that or emulate it? Because I mean, he has
Yes.
an account with like what 10 shares. I mean, you're gonna start with 10, and some of your winners are gonna be $2, and some of them will be.
Well, no,
20.
you don't have to though. It's all based on like the range of the stock and the price. Like, obviously he can't do it with like a VIR right now, like where you're going to use too much capital, or GME, right?
Or CVM. I mean,
Well,
it's
right,
literally
but you just don't. Well, no, it's not.
FOSL.
EXPR, or FOSL, like they're all cheaper stocks. Why would you not be able to do it on them?
Well, I guess FOSL you could if you would have started like at maybe 19, you'd be still admin up here at 22.
Yeah, like you'll see if you go look up all the ones he played, they're probably all going to be less than $40, $50.
No, he didn't do like any. Well, he did GME, didn't he?
I don't. Oh, well, yeah, I see that one. I think this was his main account though. It looks like he went long and short, so I'm assuming it's definitely his main account.
Oh, he didn't always short GME.
Well, you can see at the bottom, see how it's green.
So that's a long.
That's what I'm saying.
All
Yeah.
the rest of these are shorts. Okay.
Take a look at C. Charlie Victor Macy's CVM. What the heck?
I got it up already. I'm looking at it as we speak. I don't have shorts on them, but I would.
Yeah, we have like 75K, so I'm definitely not gonna
That'll be gone
do
soon.
that. Yeah. Hey, no problem, guys.
That's one of those you're scared to start because if you have to add, you're not going to be able to most likely.
Yeah.
It's a bad situation to be in. OSL.
NOK. I'm definitely not playing VIR. I was just curious.
Yeah, honestly, dude.
That's a little grindy.
Might have paid them along there, but
Did you mean NAK?
no, it's not horrible. But
It's on SSR, a little cheaper. Yelp. I didn't even know Yelp was still around. Isn't Yelp that company that like does reviews of restaurants and stuff?
Yeah.
How are they still around? People people use that?
All the time.
Really?
All the time.
I feel like when they had that like mob related stuff going around, like where they were like forcing people to pay them or else they would like banish them with bad reviews or something. I thought that like demolished them, but apparently not.
I didn't even hear about that.
Yeah, it was like a big thing for a while. Was how like they had people going in the stores and saying like either you pay Yelp this amount or whatever for their subscription fee or we're going to like put bad reviews on your business. Cuz apparently, you know, Yelp at that time, I think this was like 2 years ago. And they because Yelp was like really big then, like everyone was using it. CVM's open. Trying to halt again. Up.
CVM's halting up, huh?
It was, and then the halt price went up. Yeah, it was at like 23.90, and now it's at 24.97. It's trying to halt.
You would be a psychopath to short that, dude.
I'm YOLO. All 75k shares.
I gotta pee. I'm actually gonna take a break. I'm not taking a break. I'm just peeing. I'll be right back.
Oh,
Yeah, see, that's just looking at what B traded there. Was 7 of them I couldn't short.
oh really? Jeez.
Yeah. And that's been like every day for the last 2 weeks. I think it was 13 yesterday. That I'll go back and watch your videos and watch the ones you trade plus the ones that they're posting that they're looking at or either shorted.
Right.
It was 13 yesterday.
Jeez.
You know, not to say I would have got every one of them, but that's an enormous amount of opportunities when I'm only 3 that I could short.
Right. Yeah, that's frustrating. Brian said he's in this pretty small. He said the same thing I said, yeah, that there's not a lot to borrow.
So you could get stuff. So he'd probably get out of it if they really kept going against him.
Well, yeah, I think it's one of those ones where it's kind of right or right out type situations. But he's
small enough, he'll hold it for a swing trade.
Yeah, I was gonna say he's hard-headed. He doesn't like to accept red trades.
I wonder if he was always that way, because I would imagine it would have been hard to build an account if he was like that in the beginning.
I mean, he'll tell you he blew up several accounts and oh geez, they are riding this thing.
Was he like from a rich family?
I have no idea. He won't even tell us his last name. I don't even know what he looks like.
Like, let alone if you started out rich. God, I wish I started out rich, man. It would have changed probably a lot for starting to trade.
Why though?
Because the bigger your account is, the easier it is to grow it. Would you argue that?
I mean, I would argue that it's not going to make you learn any faster.
I'm not saying it would
I
make you learn
think,
faster.
yeah, I think it would ease the emotions.
Right now I could be doing $30,000 days.
Yeah, but you
More
shouldn't.
of a statistic.
Yeah, you shouldn't be doing it that way.
But at this point I could, if I had that type of account.
Yeah, but if you started with that type of account and you blew it, you probably wouldn't have come back.
I'm not saying in the beginning. In the beginning, you'd still have to take smaller share size and learn how to trade like we all did.
Well, a lot of people don't do that.
Yeah, chances are you got that kind of money, you're not doing that.
Exactly.
You might not. Yeah.
You read the story too many times of what do you call them? Shit, not hedge fund. When you trust fund baby,
Trust fund
blows
baby,
up
yeah.
account living in out.
Yeah. So we're kind of lucky to not be born as trust fund babies.
Well, it makes you appreciate things a bit more.
Yeah, it comes down one month.
trades at this point, man. Not that there isn't stuff moving, because God, there is. It's just hard to find willing to trade.
Yeah, I'm still not trusting my charts yet.
I think my charts seem to be okay. Fossil was going right back up. Look at this crap.
You know, I've always been kind of that one that, all right, I made it through that first one, which was danger close. I'm not gonna do it again if it was that scary. No, I'm just saying in general, you know, hey, let's take the bike and jump this big old ditch here that's 30 foot wide, and you make it barely because your back tire barely caught the edge. I'm not gonna go try it again. I did it and got away with it once. I'm not going to end up in it.
Dude, Fossil was $10 at the beginning of today.
Yeah.
Just pointing that fact out. This came from well, the close of yesterday, I guess, right? Wait, is that right? No, it started at 13 today. Okay. The 13 to 23, it's up on $10. Not a big deal.
Dude, I was showing my son because I put it in my journal the day that I had to go back and find it. The day I sat Caden down when he was asking about the stock market, and obviously I used something that he's interested in. I used GameStop. That was back when GameStop was $5.
Shut
You know,
up.
and that wasn't that long ago. Yeah, so I was like, all right, Caden, so you got that $100 that I paid you for cutting grass and stuff. I could literally take that $100 and you could buy, 20 shares, and just let it sit there. And over time, it could, you could make money, you could lose. Dude, I showed him the other day when it had its first jump. I was like, you'd be at 8 grand right now. I ain't even showed, you know what I'm saying? Not even what it is today,
Oh my God. 20 shares.
So the video I just posted in the chat, if you hit play, it should start you at 24 minutes and 54 seconds. Watch what happens when he covers out of that.
OB?
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. Cost is doing something crazy.
So is Fossil.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I ain't shorting that thing. That's in football. So you're saying watch what happens when he covers?
Yeah, watch when he hits the buy button.
How do you know when he hits the buy button?
You'll see.
Do I see like 82,000 orders?
What?
I don't know what I'm looking at here.
The bottom right, where he's in pets.
Bottom right. Hold on, I'll look at the slider, dude.
It's at 25 minutes and like 8 seconds is when it happens.
25 and 8 seconds.
Yeah, it happens at like on pets. Bottom right. Oh, gotcha. Well, CVM's going nuts.
There's beds. There's the buy.
Did you see where the current price was versus where he got filled?
Yeah. How did that happen?
Because of what's been going on. And that was at 11 o'clock. Yeah.
That's what happened to me earlier on AMC. That's
Like if
exactly how it looked.
Yeah, like if you look at the top left where his positions are, it's break even, and he was trying to just cover out break even, and then he hits it and he made $80 because it covered like 40 cents lower.
Honestly, if I would have just hit cover immediately, it was like I got covered and then I instantly had like $140 and I was like, what? Because I was kind of confused because the arrow was in the wrong place. and then it kind of dropped on me, and then I got out. But I was like, what the hell? Just, you know?
No. Yeah, so on his, I just hit pause. When he hits buy, his average is at 37.29. The ask is at 37.25 when he hits it. But he gets, and the bid is at 37.14. But he gets filled all the way down at, it looks like 36, like 70. So it's like a 45 cent difference. It's crazy.
What is CVM doing?
CVM, that's taking people's money and making a lot of money for others, I guess.
Some people are making money on this for sure.
The thing is with moves like these is the people that are long aren't holding the whole thing, but the people that are short are. So it's like usually it's taking a lot more money than it's giving.
Yeah. Which is why it's going up, because they're covering finally.
Right, yep.
They're like, ah, shit, this is getting a little heavy. And imagine being in this from like, I don't know, let's say you got in out of the halt here, $27.
27. Imagine being in down at like 22 when it halted.
Who would still be in it?
Because imagine, well, they wouldn't be, I guess, but like imagine that looked extended then.
It did. It did. Oh, dude, it was extended at 20.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you don't know how early you are until you know.
Still too late.
I mean, looking at the daily, the only level was really at $18. I mean, I didn't scroll back. Let me scroll.
Freaking bananas, dude. I'm having trouble trading today, though, to be honest.
Oh, yeah, it's got some levels. I thought this might have been all-time highs, but it's not.
It's honestly really difficult to buy some of these things.
Next stop on CVM is $47. Then after 47, it's 68.
Dude, Nokia's trying to squeeze with its big-ass float.
Wait, Nokia?
Yes.
That's still a company?
Nokia is squeezing.
Oh, is that NAK or NOK?
NOK.
Yeah, that was what I think Shin mentioned that earlier.
That is trying to squeeze.
Nokia. I remember having one of their phones. It was like one of the.
It was like a flip phone or something.
Well, it wasn't even a flip phone. It was just like the big, like
The little
flat.
brick thing.
Yeah, like brick looking thing. Yeah.
All black.
Guys, I'm probably gonna cut the stream here in a little bit, just to give you a heads up.
iPhone's coming on.
Yeah.
Jeez, everything is just going to the moon.
GME's getting ready to try it again.
This has got to be just. I mean, what's gonna happen after this?
If GME doesn't break 380 here, I would say it's gonna have like a pretty big pullback, like under 300 type pullback.
Something's going crazy right now. I don't know what that is. I'm not
Whoa, there went NOK.
to the moon.
It's trying, yeah.
I'm afraid to short stuff today, dude. I'm not gonna. Oh, and frickin' Expo's about to hold down. The XPI. Dude, I don't know what to do today, bro. Oh my god. Nokia. Is this where we short? Did you get in that?
I was getting ready to. I was determining my share size, and then it just dumped. I didn't even determine my share size yet.
God, it's hard to even say, dude, because who the hell knows what it's gonna do. I'm almost afraid to short things at this point, dude. That's literally how I feel today. I'm a little scared to short. I know your boy's having a great day, but I don't know if I feel as lucky.
Yeah, I was about to hit it. I saw a ton of shares sitting there at 6. There's 300,000 shares, but I mean, this thing also has traded 385 million today, so I feel like 300,000 isn't that much.
Is SOS really going to highs? What the heck? I just thought that thing was giving up 2 seconds ago. Honestly, this market's like a little too crazy for me, bro. I mean, I'm not one to normally say that, but it's like VGACU or some weird ass stocks moving. Oh my god. What is that thing doing? VGAC. Just going straight up. See that one, Bash?
No, I see GME about to do it.
Look at VGAC. Telling us how you feel
Yeah,
about that one,
see,
bro.
that never even came up on the scanner.
Watching it okay right now.
GME failed 380 again.
Dude, I can't short, bro.
Just took a quick scalp on NOK there.
Long?
No, short.
Freaking missed.
I just
I-
on that, dude. No,
I-
long, but dude, I got horrible fills on that, dude.
I went again super small. I'm not really trying to get out of
I did
hand.
too, man. I just thought that 6 break would do something.
I mean, it did.
It did. Dude, I swear to God, though, I clicked that at the top of that thing and I got filled down here, so I don't know.
59 is the halt.
I am short. I don't know what to say, bro.
Oh, right to the. It's gonna halt. What is going on right now? Was this a Wall Street Bets? I guess like people just started piling into this, even more so than they were before. Look at that volume candle.
I think anything with a short flow is just getting slammed.
Well, I've noticed a trend too. It's like all the tickers that have like flirted with bankruptcy. It's like that's kind of what they're going. It's what Wall Street Bets was saying. They like are single-handedly bringing companies out of bankruptcy. This chart looks so funny.
Okay.
Yeah, look at my chart. Just like I just threw the order out there because I was like,
Hey, you got more. Did you? I got it at 610.
I was basically at the top when and then it flushed down and then went back up.
I gotcha. Wish I would have held now. Didn't really stop me out either. I just freaking chickened out. The up from this big candle here. I was just like, how much can this really go?
Well, it's like I got the squeeze through 6 and I was like, all right, usually you get a pretty decent pullback to at least the whole number. So I just hurried up and put my order out there. It filled me and then just went right back up. I was like, okay, I'll take it.
Oh, I'm 3 ads in.
Are you serious?
Oh,
Yep.
you're still in it? Ugh. I think you're gonna get a big drop out of the open here.
He's like, I hope so.
I got 2 more ads, so.
What's the float road? What's the float on this? Oh, it's 5 billion. What? I just realized that B actually said he got into CVM. I totally blew through my ears earlier.
Blew through your ears.
Well, I guess passed by my eyes. I don't really know. He was in on the biggest candle, the 1121 candle. That's where he started it. GME's looks like it's about to get bamboozled. You can only try a resistance so many times and not get through. I really do think that's like a big player at 380 just saying, look, enough's enough. Like, I need to stop you.
At 380.
And look at the chart.
Yeah.
I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Have fun. Alright, I've had enough of that. I just took a stupid trade, but got out with money. Hold on, what's SOS open? That's done with that, dude. Don't fucking hit that anymore.
What is it, a 5-minute halt?
Most likely. Good lord, KOSS. What did that open up at today? This opened up today at $17 and it's just at $41. What is going on today? I just had a decent sized run on EXGR, but it was also stupid. What's your average in this NOK, dude?
625.
It's not a horrible average. How many ads have you gotten?
3.
What do you got, 2 more?
Yep. Hopefully she just opens down. That would be awesome. It's the indifference is saying 499.
Yeah. Next resistance on the chart, according to my fib lines, which do seem to match. Oh, holy shit! Are you okay? Bro.
Holy shit, dude. I didn't even get out.
Are you okay?
I'm still in it.
That's got to be like big loss right now, huh?
I ain't doing the math. I ain't looking at my P now, bro.
Don't look at it, dude. What the F was that? What the hell was that? So the voice of reason here. What is your plan?
What the heck happened?
NOK just opened up at $8.75, or $9.75. Sorry.
Are you okay, Thomas?
I haven't looked at my P&L, but that ain't gonna do me no good. I'm just gonna guess when it opens, hammer my last two ads, and then hit my break-even button for high day. And hope for the best.
ERIC. What the hell?
How many times are you gonna say it?
I didn't get that. That's crazy. Oh my god, I'm not shorting jack, dude. No way. I'm not touching anything short.
What is going on? That's a 3 billion float as well.
I'm not touching the short, dude.
Is this that isn't this related to Nokia?
It's something like
Ericsson
that.
or something? Like one of them old phone
some
companies?
old freaking phone company or something, I think.
That's halting. It is Ericsson. I knew I had heard that before.
Yeah, they're like a cell phone company, right?
Yeah, I think they're like an old one.
Do I try and get my average up? Because I'm at 624. If it opens up, do I try and get my average up and get my last two ads? It'll get me halfway up, and then, but shit, that puts me at 1,000 shares at almost $1, I think.
At $1 loss.
I mean, he's obviously over that now.
No.
Well, I meant over $1. I mean, you're 624. The price is at 881. What is the imbalance at?
Don't do it, dude. God.
499, but that's the same thing it showed earlier and jumped all the way up to fucking 9.
Well, that's during the halt. It's hard because it's gonna. Yeah.
That's what it said. The imbalance was when it was halted down here. It was 499. It just hasn't changed, and it opened up at 975.
Jeez. So something's wrong with that, obviously.
It just doesn't mean anything. I mean, it opened, and I was like, wait, and I was like, where's it? Where's the price? And then, oh my god, it's up there. What? EXPR is at $38? No.
No. It's ESPR, yeah.
Oh. That's halted too?
No, it's not halted.
Oh, that's not halted. Oh, it just wasn't moving. I'm not sure. Jack. Like, you would think Eric is gonna drop like a freaking rock after this halt, but dude.
But why was Nokia even up there? Like, I don't understand why they're. I mean, it's got it. Let me go look at their forums.
Oh my god, dude! I went over with my TOS, bro,
Nice, Frisky.
and I was like, why can't I see?
Jason, you can see the limit price on your level 2. You should actually be able to see it, I think, as well. It should light up a different color, but I don't have level 2 up.
Bro, do you got a plan on this coming out of this halt?
Say it's getting ready.
Right now.
It's just getting ready to on-halt, right? Right now.
Yeah, you got to figure it out pretty quick, man, because this thing's about to do something, bro.
This is one of those situations. There it goes.
Okay, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down.
It's gonna halt right away.
It's gonna hold
Jesus.
down. Oh, it's even a hard one to add into, man. What do you do? Add into this halt on the way down?
I just tried to add in and it won't fill me.
Yeah, you can't because the bid's below the halt price. The only time you can get the other side of the halt price is if you're going the opposite way. So like if you're trying to sell there, you would have been able to.
FOSL is halted down.
I mean, honestly, Thomas, I wasn't here for it, but I mean, obviously this is hindsight, but if something like this were to happen, I'd obviously shit my pants, probably more than you did. Um, but it's one of those ones where I feel like the only opportunity is to hit it up there. Like, you just kind of have to have like no fear.
Well, that's kind of what I was going to do when it opened. As soon as it opened, I hit my add button, my fourth ad, and it wouldn't film me.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's like
It was
maybe,
bad.
yeah, it was it. Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't here, so I don't know how it was. I just came back. I sat down. I was like, "Is there a gap in my chart? Like, what the?"
When it opened,
What are you
it just
talking
froze
about?
right
Hit
at
it
the
as it
top.
was going into the halt?
No, he didn't see when it came out of that top hull. When it came out of that hull,
Yeah, I'm
when it
saying I don't
opened,
know how it
Oh, shit.
reacted.
bro, it opened up,
Yeah.
and 1 second later was halted down. I mean, there was nothing you could do.
Yeah. In the middle of it shot up and then shot down
I mean, before you could even figure out what was
and
going
it was
on,
halted.
it was halted.
Yeah, it's one of those ones where it's like really scary, but when it shot up, like that's really your only opportunity to probably even get an ad.
But it didn't shoot up. It opened up at the top and just shut down and was halted.
Drop down.
There was no candle. It just
Eric
opened up
is
there and
open.
shut down.
Eric looks like it opened down, yeah, down.
That's it.
Well, if there's any consolation,
And that's up.
Thomas, Brian is in this and his average is 640. David is also in it. His average is 638.
Yeah, we're in the same boat. I'm 625.
Yeah, I see it literally opened at the high of 979. Yeah, I see that. And then it shot right down. Yeah.
Yeah, there was nothing you could do, bro. There was no
Yeah.
way this thing didn't happen.
I'm assuming since Brian and David didn't get anything either, that you didn't do anything wrong. This is what my assumption's going to be.
I would have assumed nobody got an ad up there. I mean, it was just, I guess, cells. I don't know what to do with this Eric, man. I can't long or short it. I'm frozen. There it goes. There it goes. I'm frozen, dude. I can't do jack. I'm gonna pee. That's what I'm gonna do.
How much time I got before the halt finishes?
You got exactly 2 minutes. Do you have a max loss in place? Like a oh shit max loss?
In the system, no.
Gotcha. I'm assuming that might have went through it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I feel like today's the day that I should be making a shit ton of money, and I'm not making a shit ton of money like as the day's gone on.
Tim, when does it open up again?
At 11:54 and 20 seconds. So you got 1 minute. Yeah.
I didn't know that. Is it, you just go by the time it halted?
Yeah. It's 5 minutes from the time it halted.
11:49, 11:54, yeah. How do you know the seconds, though?
It says it on the montage for me. I think it's one of the new things DOS implemented.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, look, oh, sorry.
Yeah, it doesn't say it on mine.
I just posted my montage. You can see it right under the level 1.
Because you have that new
Yeah, the beta version or whatever. Yeah.
11:36, 38, yeah. 11:49, 20. That's cool. So is that going to be everybody's eventually?
Yeah, eventually. 15 seconds.
Oh, that's not good on Fossil.
Why is that so much smaller than the others? Just realized that. 530, 530, 530. That's what my bid says, so I'm just hoping. There we go. Come on. 530s.
Oof.
I went right back up. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Come on. Go all the way back. There's so many longs all the way up top there that have to cover. Or sell, I should say. There we go. Hopefully you got an ad in there over 7.
Dude, just get out break even if you can. I mean, in my opinion.
Well, that was kind of why I said that. The ad over 7 there probably would have gave him a chance to get out break even if not for a small win. That was a quick pop and it couldn't go any higher because of the halt.
Come on, drop.
Yeah, just give us that big flush under 6, baby. Let's go.
And if you
Come
got an
on.
ad, then you can get out at like 650 or something.
Be
This
alright.
halt break
We're gonna
right
get
here,
this. Yeah, it's gonna 637. It's as low as it can go.
Well, this should probably try to hold it up, and when I threw it, so that's good.
Say taking some off small red would not be a bad thing either. It's something I would do.
You guys killing it?
Comms. Thomas is in NOK. Go take a look at NOK's chart.
What's the chart?
NOK. Oh, what's the chart? Got you. I thought you said what's the chart.
Oh, second. And okay, is that Nokia?
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness! I gotta go for a walk. I got to full size and I still made money on it. I'm shaking. I'm
Let-
shaking.
Post the chart before you go for a walk. I'm curious.
I'm in it.
You're in it long?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say you better be long, not short.
Give me the push to 750. Let's go.
I think everyone in NOK that got short is breathing a huge sigh of relief.
I made money out of it too. I was so caught up in his trade that I was missing my own ideas. And I'm like, wait.
See, Thomas, we get bailed out every once in a while.
Post your chart, bro. Let's see that bad boy.
That's the first time ever I've gotten bailed out, brother.
That was
Um,
a pretty big bailout, too.
That was a big bailout, dude. Honestly, out of Thomas' trades, that's the scariest one I've ever seen him in.
Oh, when he said if he added, he'd be at 1,000 shares, and you were in at 6, I was like, ooh.
Oh man, and gave me the pop. Oh well, I'm cool.
That's not cool. I know I already said that, Sammy, but I'm just reading it again. It's not cool.
I don't even think that deserves a money symbol. That deserves like.
Ah, you did get the ads there. Nice.
I can't even figure out the ads.
I can't see the chart. Where was his first entry? Where was his last entry?
6. His last entry, I'm going to assume, was the 740-ish on that last open there. So he completely missed those 2 top candles.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's nuts. That's a nutty looking chart. You don't see that very often.
And once again, I mean, you weren't here, Steve, but in his defense, he could not have added on that top candle.
Yeah, like not at all. I don't even think you could add it on the second one because it opened and halted almost instantly.
That's how the first one was. Like the first one was instantly. Like literally, it opened and was halted. And I was like, It took me a minute to realize that the price was up there, and by the time I realized it was up there, it was already.
Yeah, that's the one where you swallow your tongue a little bit. You're like, wait.
After pants.
You're like, am I seeing this correctly?
Like, dude, how often do you see a chart
Dude,
open up like
time
that?
stopped. When that thing opened up at 9, time stopped on my side. It was just like the air conditioner stopped blowing. Everything was like, oh my god.
GME just dropped $40.
Who cares?
Oh yeah, it's halted.
You guys aren't playing good at all?
I was watching it, and I even said if it doesn't break 380 that last time, it was going to go back to 300. That's exactly what it's doing. Should have put my money where my mouth is, huh?
Dude, for me to have been playing 100,
You can short it?
Yeah, technically. Well, it says I can, but I don't think I can. Anyway, sorry. Well, it says I have 45,000 shares, but I have a feeling I don't.
everything's just been crazy today, man. I finally found a trade that I didn't hate.
Yeah, when I sat down, I was thinking when I went up to go to the bathroom, I was like on the way back down, I was like, you know what? On a day like today that I still almost got to my goal, like I'm pretty proud of myself. And then I was about to tell you guys that, and then I saw where NOK was, and I was like, I'm not even in the trade, and my heart dropped. I was like, like I didn't immediately want to be like, Thomas, are you okay? Like I was like, how do I ease into this?
That's the first thing I said. When I saw that it halted up there, I go, Thomas, you okay, bro?
Hold the trade, hold the trade, hold the trade.
And he goes,
And it's halted down now.
That was intense. I ain't gonna lie, dude.
dude,
That was
be careful.
intense.
Just be careful with shorts today, man. Just really be careful. And I know
Especially
that
halts.
worked out, thank God. But these crazy ass shorts that are halting all over the place.
Yeah.
It's TVM.
Yeah.
And look at it, Tim. I halted when I added in at the halt. I was like, ooh, it's halted. Okay, I'm doing it. I've never done that before. Usually I'll stay away.
Well, it's not that you have to stay away, but when I do that, if it does go to halt, I get out. Like I try not to stay in the halt. I use that halt level as like a permit, like it has to be resistance at least temporarily, right? Like the whole point of what we do is when we see these fast moves, we're looking for where it's going to stop. Well, temporarily, if there's a halt there, a halt line, it has to stop there. But if you get in and then it goes to halt, just jump out. It's a small loss, right? That's my theory behind it. And to yell at you a little bit, it's lesson time, damn it. What do I always preach that your strategy is not a full strategy unless you know what you're going to do no matter what the stock does, right? You have to know what to do in any case. You didn't know right there. You even admitted it as it was happening. So,
well, I mean, he did have an instant idea, and that was to add to it. He just couldn't.
I did have a decent idea if it opened up higher within, because I could have played it up to 720 with a max loss. I was like, all right, so if it jumps up $1 on me, I'm going to hammer it twice and then put my high day stop loss in. But when it jumped up $2 on me,
I guess there's a new thing to throw into your arsenal. What am
or
I gonna
$3,
do?
sorry. I'm
What
like,
am I
oh
gonna do?
shit.
I'm not saying you did. I'm not saying you did anything wrong, but that's what I'm saying is you didn't plan for that. Yeah, exactly. Because what if that opens and halts up instead of down? Then what's your plan? Or what if you didn't get bailed out there? What was the plan? That's all I'm saying. Like, reflect on this. Like, this is an important trade. Even.
Oh yeah, definitely. I got to go through it again tonight, and then go to sleep and wake up and see, process the whole thing.
I think I have a plan.
Yeah, obviously, dude, I got lucky.
I'm never gonna take a trade again.
That's like, I was telling Justin the other day that I realized that lately the first trade of the day has been a red trade for me, and like I've been fighting back the rest of the day, which didn't happen today or yesterday, but he was like, well, all you have to do is just not take a first trade.
Easy. Oh, yeah.
Easy, just don't take that first trade, bro. You'll be good.
Just paper trade the first one. Paper trade it.
That's an idea.
Nah, I think it was just kind of a bad little streak there.
I don't even know what to do anymore, man. I'm just watching all these
Yeah,
stocks.
I think I'm gonna call it quits. I said I was getting ready to call it quits like an hour ago, but
It's hard to call
everything
it
just
quits
kept
when there's
going.
a market that is this exciting.
Yeah,
I mean, no
but
matter
it's like
what,
I'm
it's
sitting here
exciting.
watching it and I'm not trading any of it, so it's like, you know,
Yeah,
what am I
I'm
doing?
taking a few though on these drops. So I'm not shorting anything, but I'll freaking long something falling. That's
GME
kind of
out of the
market we're
down
seeing
halt.
today. Look at
Excuse
EXPR,
me.
dude. It's dropping like it's hot.
Literally every time GME is halted down, it does this out of the halt. It just gets bought right back up.
Yeah, dude, I've noticed that. Like anytime that thing halts down, you should probably just buy it when it comes out.
Oh, you want to see it continue down? Here, hold on. I'll actually buy it.
What was that? That was
You gotta
from
buy it at the halt. You gotta buy it at the halt.
Oh, right.
that was from like 314 to 340. No big deal.
Oh, it dropped just as fast from 360.
Yeah. That one's just a entertainment purposes only stock for this guy.
Is Lance around? He's quiet.
He's not here. He's plowing his daughter.
There was Brian's trades on NOK and Eric.
Devin, did you try and slip that one in there and see if anyone would notice?
I did. He said he had to go plow his daughter's driveway. Yeah. Dirty minds? God.
Well, at least
Plowing
you know
her
he's not dead.
driveway.
I lost internet. Dude, if that would have happened during that damn trade, I would have died. I'd have just had a heart attack right here.
It's like getting ready. It's getting ready to unhalt from the top down halt, and even though it went right into another down halt, he just doesn't know because his internet's out. Can you imagine? Oh man.
Dude, I would have literally just had a heart attack up here.
Dude, you should have held on.
Because I'm sitting there clicking the button like, alright, I gotta catch this call.
I'm mad at him that he didn't hold on to his leftovers.
Yeah, that's right. You tell him.
He always holds on to his leftovers. They're issuing a national terrorism warning for individuals who are upset about the presidency. But they didn't give any specifics on why. Because they want to paint the Republicans out to be a-holes right now. Are we still streaming?
Yeah, I'm about to cut it off though.
Alright, cut that.
Don't tell me what to do.
I will tell you to cut that right now.
Okay. I'm sorry, sir.
I want to say some awful things.
No, you just want to talk politics.
No, I don't.
I am going to cut it off, though, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget the like button on the way out. I'll timestamp all my trades in a little bit. I'm going to eat some lunch and go talk to Jason real quick. And let me do the old stoppy thing so it doesn't click back over even after I hit the button. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.